Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to allow or enable messages request from everyone on Instagram. First of all, open the Instagram application. On the home screen, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Profile section will open. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Settings and activity will open. Scroll down and you will find an option of messages and story replies. Tap on it. Different options and sections will open. Under the How People Can Reach You section, there's an option of Manage Requests. Tap on it. Next, tap on the option Your Followers on Instagram. Here, Don't Receive Requests option is enabled. Tap on the option Message Requests. The settings have been changed and now message requests from your followers who follow you on Instagram will be delivered to your message request folder. Next, tap on the option Others on Instagram. Here, tap on the option Message Requests. Now other people will also be able to send message requests to you, and this is how you can allow or enable message requests from everyone on Instagram.